In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D shapes in Figma for an exciting design project. Whether you're enhancing a presentation, designing a website, or exploring the vast world of digital art, understanding the basics of 3D design in Figma can really elevate your work. This process is intuitive and engaging, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you have access to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. Navigate to the Figma website using your preferred browser. Once there, log into your account by clicking the Login button, usually positioned at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to your Figma home screen, which is where you can manage all your design projects. Once logged in, direct your attention to the home screen, where you typically see a list of recent projects and shared files. Here, click on Design to start with a new blank canvas, or choose an existing project you want to work with. Activating design mode will open up the workspace where all the creative magic happens. Now, to start creating a 3D shape, select the pen tool from the toolbox. If you're new to Figma, the pen tool is an essential feature for drawing custom shapes and lines. It's represented by a pen icon, often located on the left-hand side of the interface. With the pen tool, begin by plotting points on your canvas. Click once to create a straight line between points, or click and drag to generate curves. You can build any base shape you desire by connecting these points. With your base shape in place, it's time to enhance it with a few 3D touches. Use the node handles that appear when a point is selected to adjust the curvature of lines, giving a sense of depth and dimension. When you're satisfied with the overall outline, you can apply a gradient for shading. Choose the fill tool, which you'll find in the right hand panel, to select a gradient style, adjusting its angles and color stops to add that illusion of depth we're after. For further refinement, consider duplicating your shape, then offset it slightly. This technique creates layers, contributing to a more pronounced 3D effect. You may find it useful to apply transparency to these layers, as this can simulate light hitting different parts of the shape. Experimenting with shadowing and highlights is the next step. Figma's effects panel allows you to add drop shadows and inner shadows, which can be adjusted for blur, transparency, and direction. These subtle additions give a realistic touch to your design, effectively bringing your 3D shape to life. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've created your very own 3D shape in Figma. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and utilize these tools in different combinations to discover new creative possibilities.